What is acid rain? Acid deposition, or commonly known as acid rain, occurs when emissions from the combustion of fossil fuels and other industrial processes undergo a complex chemical reactions in the atmosphere and fall to the earth, as wet deposition, such as rain, snow, cloud, or fog, or dry depositions, such as dry particles or gas. The main chemical precursors leading to acidic conditions are atmospheric concentration of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. The sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form a sulfuric and nitric acids. Acid rain results when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are emitted into the atmosphere and transported by wind and air currents before falling to the ground. Whilst a small portion of the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide that cause acid rain is from natural sources such as volcanoes, most of it comes from the burning of fossil fuels. Winds may spread these acidic solutions across the atmosphere and over hundreds of miles. When acid rain reaches Earth, it flows across the surface and runs water, enters water systems, and sinks into the soil. Acid rain has many ecological effects, but none is greater than its impact on lakes, streams, wetlands, and other aquatic environments, such as base nutrient depletion. Acidification of soil causes the removal of nutrients from terrestrial ecosystems. Aluminum toxicity. The release of the heavy metal aluminum from the soil due to increased acid deposition can create unsuitable living conditions for many freshwater species. Eutrophication or nutrient enrichment. Nitric acid enters terrestrial and aquatic systems from the atmosphere. A portion of this added nitrogen eventually reaches coastal areas with the potential to create eutrophic conditions. Increased inputs of nitrogen have caused harmful impacts on coastal ecosystems that include hypoxia or anoxia, or low oxygen levels, fish and shellfish kills, and changes in algal community composition. To summarize it up, here is a video documentary that was presented by the National Geographic about acid rain.
What is acid rain? Acid rain is any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acids. It can occur in the form of snow, fog, and even dry materials that settle to Earth. Most acid rain is caused by human activities. When people burn fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere. These gases react with water, oxygen, and other substances to form sulfuric and nitric acid. Winds may spread these acidic solutions over hundreds of miles. After it falls to Earth, acid rain enters water systems as runoff and sinks into the ground. This can make water toxic to crayfish, clams, fish, and other aquatic animals. The rest of the food chain, including non-aquatic species such as birds, is often affected as well. Acid rain also harms forests by damaging trees' leaves, robbing the soil of essential nutrients, and making it hard for trees to take up water. By designing cleaner power plants and using fewer fossil fuels, we can reduce the number of pollutants that create acid rain.